Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, today on this video, I'm gonna give you guys a Bitcoin update. Give you guys the current news we got about Robinhood and Coinbase. They listed some new coins. So let's get right into it, guys. Well, guys, let's start off by looking at the bubbles. Looks like the peanut squirrel with the ticker PNUT, peanut. It's mooning, guys. Looks like it just came out about a week ago, and it's definitely got some good gains. Let's take a look at it real quick. On the day, it's up 155% up for the day, and if you would have caught it in last week when it came out in November 7th, you'd be up 1400%. So that's about a 14x. So yeah, the all-time low was 7 cents, and it was made on November 8th. So yeah, guys, this new meme coin, it might moon, guys. Just keep an eye on it. I'm keeping an eye on it. Definitely might be a good time to wait for a pullback. It did get as high as 228, and then right now it's at $2.06. But I think if it does pull back, it'll probably pull back to like somewhere like $1.50, right around there. Might be a good buy-in, guys. So yeah, just keep an eye on it, guys. It's a new coin, so it's probably gonna moon hard as soon as Bitcoin starts moving again, guys. We got Pepe too. The best meme coin for this cycle so far is Pepe. It's up 75% for the day, and we got Mog, also a really good meme coin. It's up 38% for the day. It looks like a lot of meme coins are up. Floki, the People's Crypto, is up 20% for the day. We got Brett, base number one meme coin, is up 24% for the day. And Whiff, it's up 33.6% up for the day. And also Popcat, the crazy little cat, is also making a move at 26% up for the day. The rest of the market is just kind of going sideways. It looks like Bitcoin dominance is going up since Bitcoin it started to hit a new all-time high. It hit a new all-time high of 93,000. Let's take a look at it. It hit a new all-time high of 93,495 just a few hours ago. It has retraced all the way back to 89,807 from the price of today. At the time of recording, the price right now at the time of recording is $89,884 now. So yeah, just basically right around $89,900, guys, is the price right now, guys. And we did tap $3 trillion market cap for the whole crypto currency market cap, guys. The current market cap is 2.99 trillion. But when Bitcoin hit the new current all-time high of 93,495, we did tap $3 trillion market cap. So that's pretty good for the crypto currency in general. That's where the whole cryptocurrency market cap topped off in November 2021 was 3 trillion. So we're about to get into price discovery for the whole current cryptocurrency market, guys. We're about to break $3 trillion, which is the current all-time high for all of the crypto market cap, including Bitcoin, stable coins, and all coins, guys. So definitely get excited because we're about to head to new highs, guys. Now let's get back into Bitcoin. Oh, before I get into Bitcoin, the fear and greed is 86, so it's very greedy. I think it's gonna stay greedy till about the end of November. I think November is gonna be very green. The Bitcoin dominance did get as high as like 61. It's dropping off to 59.80, but it's still kind of high. That's why a lot of altcoins are not mooning yet. But once the Bitcoin dominance gets below like 55, that's when the altcoin season will start, guys. So let's get into Bitcoin. Give you guys an update on Bitcoin. So current price is 89,829. It has been green since November 5. With we did have a red day on November 12th, and today it's looking like it's gonna be another red day. But don't be fooled. It might the trading day for November 14th just started, so it might end up green. That's how November 13th was yesterday. It was looking like it was gonna be a red day, but it ended up making a new all-time high of 93,495. So yeah, guys. I still think don't get bearish on Bitcoin, guys, or cryptocurrencies. We are in the parabolic bull run. It is confirmed, guys. We are going to make new all-time highs here pretty soon again. Might even be later today or tomorrow, guys. But I wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcoin. I think this rally, if you guys are wondering how long is this rally going to last, I think this rally is going to last until the end of November. Probably somewhere around, basically November 29 or 30th or the 1st of December. Anywhere between November 29 and December 2nd is my target where the rally is going to last until we start seeing a major correction. I mean, we'll see corrections along the way. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Like November 12th, we corrected, from 90,100 all the way back down to 85,000. We'll see small corrections like that. But I think Bitcoin's gonna keep rallying until November 29th. Give or take a few days, maybe up to the first couple of days of December, and then we're gonna see a major pullback, maybe like a 20% pullback or more. We'll start seeing a pullback in December, guys. But don't get shaken out when we see that pullback, guys. It's just gonna be a correction, like Bitcoin normally has in this parabolic bull run, and then I'll keep rallying. I definitely see a Christmas rally coming in too. Now let me show you why I guys think I think we're gonna get a rally until December until November 29, right around there. Let me show you guys the previous cycle of the 2021 cycle. This current 2024-2025 bull run cycle is mimicking the 2020-2021 bull run cycle. Let me find the election day here. November 5th. Here's November 5th. It was also a green day. But actually, Bitcoin didn't go into price discovery until December 16 of 2020. In case you don't know what price discovery is, when Bitcoin goes into price discovery, it basically means it goes above its current all-time high. The all-time high made in November 2021 for Bitcoin was $20,000. Bitcoin didn't go into price discovery until December 16, 2020, guys. So that's when it it started making new all-time highs. So if you take December 16, it kept going, rallying. It had some corrections. Again, nothing goes up in a straight line. It had a few red days, but it basically had a bunch of green days. And it topped off in January 8th, 2021. So it topped off at $42,000. So it basically did 100% move. From when it went into price discovery. From December 16, 2020, 20,000, and it did 100% move all the way up to like 42,000, on January 8, 2021. Now, if you take from December 16 to January 8, 2021, it's 23 days, guys. It's 23 days. So that's why I'm thinking, in this current cycle, it's going to be about the same. It's probably going to be about 23 days. Since Bitcoin goes into has a major correction. See, so we started off here. It was actually November 6th, a day after the election, because the current all-time high for Bitcoin for right now before it broke 73,600. So the current all-time high was 73,600, and it went into price discovery. That means it broke 73,600 and went above. Was in November 6th, and I just kept rallying. I had a couple of red days, and now we're still rallying. So if you take 23 days from November 6th, that comes out to November 29th, guys. So that's why I'm thinking we're gonna rally. We know there's gonna be red days, there's gonna be small corrections, but we're gonna rally hard. Probably we're gonna do 100% move. Up to November 29, give or take a few days, maybe a day or two before November 29, maybe a couple days before, after November 29. So somewhere around November 29, guys, I do see Bitcoin topping off. And if it makes it 100% move from $73,000, that means we might see 140,000 Bitcoin, guys, by the end of November, maybe by November 29, guys. I mean, don't get bearish on Bitcoin because on all the previous cycles of Bitcoin, every time it goes into price discovery, um, in November or December around those areas, it makes a 100% move, just like I showed you right here. Here on December uh, 16, it broke price discovery of 20,000, and it made, from 20,000 it went all the way up to 42,000 on January 8th. So it did a 100% move on you know from the day of price discovery. In 23 days it made a 100% move, guys. So somewhere a little bit after 3 weeks, sometime between 3 to 4 weeks, it makes a 100% move. And also, it did the same thing on the 2016, 2017 cycle. This chart doesn't go back that far, or else I will show you. But I could show you in the 2020-21 cycle. So definitely expect a 100% move in 3 to 4 weeks after price discovery. So that's around November 29, guys. Give or take a few days. Either before or after, guys. Now it did have a correction. It topped on the November 2021 cycle. It topped off January 8 at 42,000, and it corrected all the way down to like 28,006. So it did like about like let's see, 42. That's about 12. So it did about like a 30% correction, guys. So we might see a 30% correction sometime in November 29, or the first couple of days of December. So either by the end of November or the first couple of days of December, I believe Bitcoin is going to top off, and then we're going to start gradually going into a 30% correction. Maybe a 20% correction, maybe a 30% correction, maybe even a 40% correction. Because that's what Bitcoin does. And the parabolic bull run cycle, it runs hard and then it crashes hard, and then it continues on. Here on the 2021 sheet, here's the 2021 bull run cycle. It topped off at 42, and it crashed all the way to 28,006, but then it rallied all the way back up to 58,000, and then it crashed again all the way down to 43,000. So it's gonna do big moves like that. But right now, let's stick to this. Right now, we're headed, we're headed up to the first top before it crashes a good 20 to 30, 40%. I believe it'll probably be about the same, about a 30% rally. So yeah, guys, basically what I'm saying here on this cycle, expect Bitcoin to go up. Not in a straight line. We're gonna have a few red days, but I do see Bitcoin topping off in November 29, around $140,000, guys. Give or take, maybe 120, 130, right around there. But it could top off. If history repeats, and usually it does, it could top off 100% from the time it goes into price discovery. So 73,000, 100% of 73,000 is about 146,000. But let's just call it 140,000 for round numbers. So don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin at 140,000 in November 29, guys, because the history shows Bitcoin rallies 100% once it heads into price discovery for about 3 to 4 weeks. So I do see Bitcoin being around 140K sometime around November 29, give or take a few days, guys. So just keep that in mind, guys. That's just in my analysis, in my research. You guys do your own research. Don't buy or sell any Bitcoin because I say so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So what I'm saying, guys, is just expect Bitcoin to keep rallying. The next target for Bitcoin is 94,000. We almost tapped it. We got as high as 93,495 just a few hours ago. So I think 94,000 is going to be broken pretty soon, guys. And after 94,000, the next target is 98,000. So yeah, we break 94,000, guys. The next target is 98,000. And I'll make another video tomorrow if we do break those targets and get you guys more targets to the upside. But the main target you got to keep in mind is by November 29, I do see the Bitcoin, the first rally, because it's going to keep rallying until September 2025. In my research, it'll keep rallying up to September 25. That's when the top of the Bitcoin bull run is going to come in. But right now, the first rally is going to top off somewhere around November 29, and I am predicting from my research that it's going to top off right around 140,000 Bitcoin, guys. Maybe a little bit less, maybe 120, 130, but it's definitely going to be over 100. It's rallying hard. I mean, Bitcoin, I mean, at first I thought we'd be at 100 by the end of the year for sure, and I still think we are, but I think we're going to be higher than 100,000 by the end of the year. I think we'll be over 100,000 by the end of November, probably closer to 120, 130, 140,000 by the end of November, guys. And then again, by the end of November, by around November 29, give or take a few days, we're gonna see a top, and then we're gonna start a gradual crash or correction. You know, could be a rather anywhere between a 20-30% correction. Whatever price is when the correction starts, will correct about 30%, guys. So yeah, guys, keep that in mind, guys. That's from the research and analysis I just showed you. That's just what I'm predicting, guys. We'll see what happens, guys. I don't have a crystal ball, but usually the data shows that's what's going to happen, and usually history repeats, guys. So everybody always thinks it's going to be different, but the charts show that history repeats. Don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to the media out there. Look at the charts. I've been, looking at the charts for the last 3 years, and I've been every single day. I put in like 5 to 6 hours minimum. Looking at the charts, been researching crypto and Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies, and I'm starting to see patterns now, guys. So definitely in my analysis, that's what I think is going to happen, and most likely it will because the data shows that history repeats, guys. So yeah, guys, look out for 140,000 Bitcoin. By November 29. We might be a little bit less, maybe 120K, but definitely over 100,000 by the end of November, guys. So yeah, guys, wanted to share that with you guys. Also, guys, in case you guys didn't know, Robinhood and has listed new coins again. Well, it relisted Solana. The four coins are Solana, XRP, ADA, Cardano, and Pepe. So yeah, the new coins they listed is actually just Pepe and XRP because it already had Solana and Cardano. But I mean, I guess you could call it a new listing because you weren't able to buy or trade or sell, but now you could. So again, Robinhood USA has relisted Solana, and they relisted Cardano, and then they have a new listing of Pepe and a new listing of XRP. So that's probably going to make Pepe and XRP blow up. Pepe is already up 77% for the day, and it's probably due to the Robinhood listing, as well as Coinbase listing. Coinbase also has just listed Pepe, and they also just listed WIF. WIF WIF. So WIF is also up 36% for the day, and that's probably from the Coinbase listing, guys. So again, Coinbase today has just listed Pepe and WIF, and Robinhood USA has listed Pepe, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, guys. So keep an eye on those because usually new listings means that the price goes up, guys. Keep an eye on Pepe. A lot of people are saying that Pepe is the Doge of this cycle, guys. So Pepe might run hard. It's already been mooning hard, but I mean it might even moon harder, guys. I'm gonna do a Pepe price prediction video later tomorrow because I do see Pepe getting to like about at least a $40 billion market cap, guys, just like Doge did last cycle. So definitely keep an eye on Pepe and WIF too. All right, guys. In other news, in case you guys didn't know, I think yesterday Donald Trump he tweeted. Let me read what he tweeted. He says, "I am pleased to announce that the great Elon Musk, working in conjunction with the American patriot Vivek Ramaswamy, will lead the Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE) together. Together, these two wonderful Americans will pave the way for my administration to dismantle government bureaucracy, slash excess regulations, cut wasteful expenditures, and restructure federal agencies essential to the Save America movement. This will send shockwaves through the system and anyone involved in government waste, which is a lot of people, stated Mr. Musk. So yeah, so actually, Elon Musk tweeted this, but this is a statement from Donald Trump, the president-elect, the next president of the United States, which takes office on January 2025. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is since it looks like Donald Trump, is keeping that promise that he's gonna make that Department of Government Efficiency agency headed by Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy, and the Department of Government Efficiency has an acronym, is the acronym of Doge, basically the Doge meme coin. So yeah, keep an eye up on Doge, guys. Doge has been moving hard, and Doge, if Elon Musk is doing good, Doge does better. So I mean, Doge is definitely following Elon Musk, and Elon Musk seems to be on top of his game. So I mean, Doge right now is currently at 38 cents, but it did get as high as like 43 cents. Um, so definitely keep an eye on Doge, guys. I think Doge is gonna move hard. Watch my Doge price prediction video if you haven't seen it. It's on the channel. Give you guys a little guidance when I'll be selling my Doge, guys. My price prediction on Doge, guys. So yeah, guys. Just wanted to share the news with you guys. Give you guys my Bitcoin update. Definitely look out for 120,000 to 140,000 Bitcoin by the end of November. I've been doing more analysis, and my analysis shows that Bitcoin is going to move hard for the next couple of weeks until we get to the end of November, November 29, right around there, give or take a few days. Is when I see Bitcoin topping off the first rally. I mean, I don't think it's gonna end there. It's just gonna have its first correction, its first 20 to 30% correction, right around November 29, guys. And I see the top price of Bitcoin around November 29, being around 120K to 140K, guys. But for now, the next target it's got to break is 94,000, guys. And if it breaks 94,000 by the time you see this video, the next target is got to be 98,000, guys, and then we'll go from there, guys. All right, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.